What's up everybody, Jared here with carbuzz.com, and behind me sits the all-new 2020 Shelby GT500. This is the most hardcore, the most badass Mustang in the lineup when it arrives later this year. It's going to use the same 5.2 liter Voodoo engine that's found in the GT350, although without the flat plane crank and with the addition of an Eaton supercharger. We weren't able to open up the hood on this demo model here, but Ford has a nice display of that supercharged Voodoo motor sitting right here. This is going to produce over 700 horsepower. They haven't told us exactly how much, but it will definitely be over 700. So this thing is coming for your Hellcats and your ZL1s. That is clearly what Ford is trying to do with this car as a direct competitor to those. On the inside, if I'm able to show you that, we've got the same Recaro seats that you'll find on, the GT350, GT350R, obviously with a little bit of a reskin. And one of the interesting things is that on the steering wheel here, there are paddle shifters. That is because, unlike the GT350, this is using a dual clutch transmission. This is the first Mustang to use a dual clutch transmission rather than a manual. Ford says that it just shifts faster, it's going to give you better acceleration times, it's going to be an overall better performer on the track. Might make some Mustang purists a little unhappy to see that they didn't go with a manual, but should make this car incredibly fast, as should this giant carbon fiber rear wing providing a ton of downforce. This thing is absolutely massive. It looks like it came straight off the aftermarket. Really cool. Love this color as well on the GT500, and I think Ford is going to have no trouble selling these to people who would have otherwise been cross-shopping maybe a Challenger Hellcat or a Camaro ZL1. Although the Camaro, a little hard to see out of, it has its own interior issues, things like that, and the Hellcat is quite a lot larger than this car. So this is going to occupy a very unique subset of the market all by itself. If you've liked this video and you'd like to see more, be sure to download the CarBuzz apps on iOS and Android to keep up with all of the latest and greatest in automotive news, and to see reviews of the Ford Mustang. Hopefully we'll get behind the wheel of this GT500 model later in 2019. Hope you've enjoyed the video. See you next time.